Hiya fragrance buddies, my name is Brie and I hope y'all are ready for the sweet treat I have in store for y'all today. I love anything and everything when it comes to wax melts, so when I discovered squeezable wax melts, I was hooked. With a bit of wax and some mineral oil, you can make a fun and unique twist on a regular melt that can be squeezed into a warmer. Top it off with some glitter and our cotton candy fragrance oil and you've got yourself a super sweet project to try out. These little pouches are usually used as a party treat for beverages, but they're exactly what we need to make these squeezable wax melts, well, squeezable. Each pouch holds about 8 ounces of liquid, which will be made up of 1 part container blend wax to 2 parts mineral oil. This will thin the wax out enough to make it squeezable from the pouch. You're going to combine the wax and mineral oil together in a pouring pitcher and melt them down together using a double boiler. You're going to heat and stir until the mixture is fully melted and remove it from the heat source before adding your fragrance and color. My choice for today is one of our best sellers, cotton candy. Whether you love or hate the sugar dessert itself, the scent has a great throw in candles and wax melts. You're going to add it in at a 12% concentration and stir well. Up next is a drop of red liquid candle dye. A little bit is all you need for a pastel pink color. Once that's all mixed up, grab your drink pouch and place a silicone funnel in the nozzle. Making wax melts gives you the chance to add glitter and mica powder, which would otherwise clog the wick of a traditional candle. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon each of pink and baby blue glitter. Before filling the pouch, be sure to let the wax cool down until it's below 100 degrees Fahrenheit so you don't risk melting the plastic. And now I'm ready to pour. Slowly fill the bag up bit by bit, squeezing it a bit between pours to get the glitter all mixed in. Cap it off tightly and give it all a good shake. Ooh, look at all those pretty little glitter flakes. Now the wax liquid just needs to fully cool. It usually takes about an hour in my experience. To keep the glitter fully suspended without sinking to the bottom, shake the bag every 10 minutes or so. And when it's all cool, this is what you'll get. It looks good enough to eat, but I'll fight the temptation and stick to smelling it. To use squeezable wax melts, uncap the pouch and squirt some straight onto the warming plate. From there, it's just like a regular wax melt. Enjoy the fragrance and watch as the glitter floats around. With the addition of mineral oil, which is pretty cheap, you can stretch your dollar by using less wax and make tons of these pouches in a whole rainbow of colors and scents. Well, alright y'all, what do you think of these wax melts? Let me know by leaving me a comment on this video and tossing a like if you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Check out our channel and other socials for more project inspo, and I really hope I see y'all the next time I'm here in my little kitchen. Thanks so much for watching, Fragrance Buddies, and as always, stay scented, my friends.